made it a point to go to the tiger enclosure because I really liked it.
I told you this guy was a... He already cut you off back there. You should have laid... I try to give people the benefit of the doubt. He was a big time... You should have laid on horn at him.
Anyway.
You have your... Did you...
Нет, ну, в плане того, что... Video locked.
We have those two, but we don't know how to load and fire them. Well, can we at least get those two tanks moving?
No. We've been trying with my shoulders, but they're not starting up. He's actually...
Fucked out.
Oh, yeah, it's taking a break.
That truck U-turn.
No U-turn. Am I missing something here?
Yes.
Not only is it a no U-turn, an 18-wheeler did it.
I've seen everything. Just put his blinkers on like it was nothing. The girl's taking brakes on.
What the hell? How the heck did that happen? Oh my god! That is insane. That's... Oh my god. Holy Mother Mary.
As much as we love like a phrase or as much as the phrase blew up, so we want our politicians to be clap masters. You know?
I think that in this moment you have to understand that.
Stupid! Why would people even come down here? This... Stupid!
Your call cannot be taken. So please leave your message after the tone.
What's up, Karen? This is Porter Robinson. I hope you're doing well. Up next is one of my own tracks called Unison. It's been a pretty big tune for me this year.
If the cops get behind me, I'm doing the dance. Shorty know she bad as hell, say that. I'ma give her what she wants, take her ass. Ride around the city with some cash on me. If the cops get behind me, I'm doing the dash on me. Shorty know she bad as hell, say that ass. I'ma give her what she wants.
dude.
What the hell?
Yo,
Places, they'll cut off key supply routes. The International Labour Organization says the world's economy is not recovering as hoped from the COVID-19 pandemic, with a worse than expected effect on jobs and a growing gap between rich and poor countries. Its projection for hours worked this year is more than 4% lower than before the pandemic. It's the equivalent of losing 125 million full-time jobs.
What the f are you doing?
Start spitting fire because my motherfucking lung is scorched.
Video locked.
Lorraine went up to some people in the queue and said, "What are you waiting for?" And apparently it was like a promotion thing for Timothy Chalamet's new film. Watch this one, watch it. Oh, he's in the wrong. All right, that's enough, Mark. God, Bennett. He was in the wrong lane, wasn't he? Wrong lane. I'm gonna learn how to drive. Look, he's doing that. See? Oh my God, he nearly ran them people over. He's got, look, they were looking at him then. He's going to be bloody caught, I hope.
Save that.
How?
The snow is here, but it's not cold.
Not so cold. And water and it's so cold. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Something I have to drive today. I have to look out for them. Watch that beat. Come here. Water wash out the road, you know?
There's a lot of salt, man.
Man.
My way at all. That's why she pulled out. It was just looking the opposite direction.